It gives me immense pleasure to welcome MLA of Palasa Constituency, Srimati Gautam Suresha Garu, has been serving society in varying to the all-round development of village folk through J24 full cabinet. Our chief guest, Srimati Gautam Suresha Garu, Rajkumar, corresponding Reverend Father Joseph Anil, Assistant Parish by the sport head boy, Master C.H. Chiren and head girl. We extend our heartful thanks to our sincere thanks, respected fathers, kindly be seated in your respective places. Secure every one of our souls with the Tiranga. Our students are coming forward to sing a praise song. Let's welcome them on to the
Together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, bind us together with love. There is only one glory, that is why we sing. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with love. Together, Lord, bind us together with love. Bind us together with love. Bind us together with love.
Six-time MLA and former Minister of Tourism and BC Welfare. Of great leaders who served the people and society. Mom, we are happy to have you amidst us. We are proud of you as you became the
salute.
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जय गण मंगल दायक जय हे नायक जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
A reflection of our responsibilities towards our nation today and in the future. Accompanied with our principal, Reverend Father Rajkumar, corresponding Reverend Father Joseph Anil Kumar, Reverend Father Anthony, and Honorable Chief Justice, moving towards the school cabinet. English, math, culture, Telugu, science, etc. Inspiring levels to passionate nature to the students, mainly in the Mediterranean region. Our Honorable Chief Guest is a popular garden plant of the buttercup family. We find this flower on the high mountains of tropical Africa. Now, Mom is approaching Fort. Now, girls' cabinet is marching forward with a sports flag by the school head girl, Kumari. We authorize the vice captain. Her wish is to join Indian civil service. Now, Blue House is marching forward as a doctor. Kumari R. Pranita is the vice captain. She wants to serve our nation as an army officer. Is the captain of the Yellow House. She desires to become a lawyer. Master P. program by the school cabinet with a wonderful rhythmic steps. Our SPL, Master C.H. Sricharan and ASPL, Kumari Sakya Tyagi is coming forward to place their flags in their respective flag posts. Garu and Gauta Shivaji Garu, the former Minister of Tourism and BC Welfare, who was elected as an MLA for 6 times, as a granddaughter. Spare 5 minutes for us. Thank you. Next we have award ceremony for SSC toppers of the corresponding father. Please join cash prize with our beloved chief guest, Srimati Gauta Sirisha Garu, MLA of Palasa, the second topper of our school. For the next we have cabinet and stood as the third topper of SSC 2023.
Reverend sisters, respected guests who have come along with the mom, respected parents, dear teachers, friends, well-wishers and my dear loving children. Indeed, it's my privilege, pleasure and honor to stand before you all to express words of welcome. Today, India celebrates its 78th independence. As we enter another era of freedom, certainly we need to remember and express our gratitude to the glorious generation of freedom fighters led by Mahatma Gandhi. Dear children, freedom has its meaning only in our oneness. Unity in diversity is really our greatness. Be it Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian, above all, we are but Indian. Blessings came to us from heaven. India got its long-awaited freedom. Today, dear teachers and my dear children, to celebrate the spirit of freedom, this Independence Day, we have with us Srimati Gauta Sirisha Mam Garu, MLA, Palasa Constituency. Indeed, it's a proud moment for all of us, Mom, as you come from a great freedom fighters family, the granddaughter of Sri Sardar Gauta Lachanna Garu, veteran freedom fighter, champion of Kisan, backward classes and weaker sections of the society. Dear teachers and my dear children, at a very young age, he participated in the Salt Satyagraha and Quit India movement. The title of Sardar for his fearless fight against the British Raj. Today we have another great born leader of the people who got involved on political and social front is none other than Sri Gauta Shivaji Garu. The
Independence Day wishes to the bright students of this school and especially the fathers and the teaching staff and non-teaching staff. Thank you, ma'am, for a beautiful event and making me part of this, because after seeing all this, just remembering my school days in St. Joseph School in Visakhapatnam, because the golden era of every person's life is in school life. Especially for today's event, 78th Independence Day. Just a small message to you all, what we thought The freedom what we are enjoying now is a sacrifice of a lot of superheroes, their lives and their families and their identities. Even we don't know some of their names. We know some of their names only. But they thought of our future generations and they sacrificed their lives to make our lives with full of freedom. Now we should know the value of the freedom what we are enjoying now because of those superheroes, and we should transfer those freedom to our next generations without any fail so that they also should know the freedom. August 15th is not only an Independence Day celebration. It is a day that we should pay gratitude and tribute to all the superheroes who made us to live freedom today. And about the SFS school team, thank you Father and the teachers for making me part of this beautiful event, and especially to the parents. Really, you people are very lucky being in this school, and such a beautiful event today you people is organized. The school life is really a golden moment in your life. Tomorrow I wish each and every one of you to come as a chief guest to this college and make your teachers and your school, especially Palasa, to feel proud. The SFS school students are in this position. They should feel proud of all of us. And once again, congratulations and thankful to all of your parents, children, and especially to the staff of and HMs and fathers and teachers of the SFS school. Once again, I am thankful to you, sir, principal sir, because in our busy life, really we are missing such a beautiful event. At least once in a year, we just want to think that we are a politician, we just want to be a part of this.